Hello friends, welcome to my exam coaching classes. And first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos and thank you so much for your support. Without your support, it is not possible for me to upload new videos and reaching to you. Okay, so first of all, thank you so much for watching my videos. Today, in this video, we are going to see a very interesting topic, that is permutation and combination. So today's topic is permutation and combination. When we talk about this particular topic, that is permutation and combination, one of the very important topics for exams like IBPS, Staff Selection Commission, CGL, CHSL, in every competitive exam, in quantitative aptitude part, that is numerical ability part, questions from permutation and combination are very common, right? So today we are going to see the basic concepts of permutation and combination. So it is a concept building exercise. Once we clear with the concept, then it is easy for us to solve the questions based on this particular topic, that is permutation and combination. So a lot of questions comes in IBPS, clerical exam, IBPS, PO, Staff Selection Commission, CGL, CHSL, RRB examination, all these type of examination, this topic is very important. So when we talk about this particular topic, about the basic concepts of this particular topic, many students have problem. Okay, they are new to this particular topic, what is permutation and combination, right? So the first fundamental concept of this particular topic starts with a rule which is called factorial notation. So let us write that and let us see what actually is factorial notation. So when we talk about factorial notation, let me write here factorial of a number. We talk about factorial notation. When we talk about the factorial of this number, factorial of the number, suppose we have, for example, let me take as 3 factorial. This exclamation mark indicates the factorial. 3 factorial. So we will say like 6 factorial. Let us take it as 7 factorial. So when I say like numbers like 3 factorial, 6 factorial, 7 factorial, what actually does it mean? 3 factorial means, it is very simple, understand it this way. 3 factorial means we have to multiply all numbers up to 3 starting from 1. So we are talking about the counting numbers, we are talking about natural numbers. Normal counting numbers start from 1. So 3 factorial means we have to multiply numbers from 1 up to 3. So what are the 3 factorial? We have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3. So we got an answer 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6. So that means 3 factorial means 6. Very simple. 3 factorial means the value of 3 factorial is 6. Similarly, 6 factorial. Now you got an idea what is a factorial notation. 6 factorial means we have to multiply all numbers up to 6. So when I say 6 factorial means we have to multiply 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. 1 to 6 you have to multiply all numbers. So what is that? 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24, 24 into 5 into 6, 5 into 6, 13. Now you can make it as a grouping and you can do it fast. For example, 2 into 5, 10. Then 3 into 6, 18. So 10 into 18, 180. 180 into 4, 720. So we got the total 6 factorial is equal to 720. When you multiply all these numbers, you will get 720. Let us check it. 1 into 2, 2. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24. 24 into 5, 24 into 5, 120. 120 into 6, 720. Similarly, now you understood what is 7 factorial. 7 factorial means from 1 to 7 you have to multiply all numbers. So generally we will come to a formula. What is that? Let us take as n factorial. So what is n factorial? N factorial means we have to multiply all numbers up to the given number n. So n factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to n. So any number factorial means we have to multiply all those numbers. We have to multiply all those numbers starting from 1 to that number, whatever is given in your question. In your question, you will find out that 11 factorial. So we have to multiply 1 to 11 all numbers, and whatever answer comes, that will be the answer for that factorial. So now you are clear with what is a factorial notation. Okay, now let me come to the questions, how it is applied. For example, let me tell you this way. For example, we have find a simple concept building. Find 3 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Like this it has come. Simple basic concept. So we know 3 factorial means what? 1 into 2 into 3. And what is 2 factorial? 1 into 2. So I can cut this 1 into 2 and 1 into 2. So what is 3 factorial by 2 factorial? The answer is 3. Why? Because 3 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 and 2 factorial means only 1 into 2. So I can write, what is this 1 into 2? 1 into 2 is 2 factorial. So 3 factorial I can write as 2 factorial into 3. Similarly, one more example. Let us find out 11 factorial divided by 8 factorial. 11 factorial divided by 8 factorial. So we know 11 factorial means what? 11 factorial means 1 into 2 into up to 8 into 9 into 10 into 11. This is 11 factorial divided by, what is 8 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 8. So 8 factorial. So now you see, you can cut this 1 up to 8 and 1 up to 8. So this value will come 9 into 10 into 11. What is 9 into 10 into 11? 9 into 10, 90. 90 into 11, 990 will be the answer. So, but what I really want to tell you is, up to here I can write 8 factorial. So this can be written as what? 11 factorial is equal to 8 factorial. Up to 8 we have taken 8 factorial multiplied by 9 into 10 into 11. So this divided by 8 factorial, 8 factorial and 8 factorial get cancelled. So one more different formula we have here, that is n factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Very, very important formula. Please note this formula. It is very important for you for your competitive examinations. N factorial can be written as n into n minus 1 factorial. Kindly note it. Then we will go to the next concept. Okay, so now the very important 2 concept and formula we have to learn. One is about permutation, one is about combination. Permutation and combination are 2 different concepts, and we have 2 different formula we have to apply for solving questions in the competitive examination. So let us see the first formula, that is permutation formula. If you are clear with what actually is factorial notation, then we can easily find out what is permutation formula and what is combination formula. The first one is permutation formula. So let me tell you about permutation formula. Permutation formula says NPR, that is, what is NPR? I will tell you. Permutation formula says NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Very, very important. Please note it, then we will see what actually is this formula. NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. For example, I'll tell you, you have 10 items. You have 10 items, and out of the 10 items, you have to take 3 at a time, and you have to find out how many different ways you can arrange these. Out of 10 items, you have to make a group of 3, 3, 3. In how many different ways you can make it? So total we have 10 items, and we are taking at a time, we have taking 3. 3 items we are taking at a time. So here this 10 will come equal to n, and this 3 will come equal to r. That is NPR, permutation of 3 taken at a time out of total 10 items. What is the different, how many different ways you can arrange, 3 items taken at a time from the available 10 items. So when you solve different questions in the coming video, we will be solving a lot of questions based on all this concept. Okay, this is the concept building video. After that, next video we will be solving questions taken from the previous question papers from this particular chapter. Then you will come to know how to apply this particular formula. So NPR stands for n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N stands for the total number of items. R stands for how many you are taking at a time. Out of 10, we are taking 3 at a time. So 3 will be equal to R, total will be equal to n. Suppose out of 10, you are taking 4 at a time. Then n will be equal to 10 and R will be equal to 4. Suppose you have 20 items, out of that you are taking 7 at a time. So n will become 20 and r will become 7. So this way, when you put it in the formula, that formula is the permutation formula. Very, very important. For example, let me take, suppose there are 10 items and we take 3. So NPR comes 10P3. Out of 10, you are finding out the permutation of 3 at a time. Out of 10 items total, you are finding out the permutation of 3. So you will get the formula n factorial. Total n is how much? 10. So 10 factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N minus r. 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 factorial. So this will become what? 10 factorial divided by, what is 10 minus 3? 7. So this will become 7 factorial. Now you remember what is factorial notation. It is easy for you to find out this answer. We know 10 factorial means what? 1 to 10, all numbers you have to multiply. 10 factorial means we have to multiply all numbers from 1 to 10. 7 factorial means we have to multiply all numbers from 1 to 7. So here 1 to 7, 7 factorial I can cut with the first 7 numbers here. What will be remaining? 8 into 9 into 10. First 7 numbers 1 to 7 I cancelled with this 7 factorial. 10 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into up to 10. Similarly, 7 factorial means 1 into 2 into 3 into up to 7. The first 7 numbers you can cancel with the 7 factorial. What will be remaining? What is left? 8 into 9 into 10. What is 8 into 9 into 10? 8 into 9, 72. 72 into 10, 720. So, 720 different ways you can arrange 3 items taken at a time from a total of 10 items. Very simple. So this is NPR formula, that is permutation formula. Kindly note it, then we will see what is a combination formula. So yes, the next formula is combination. When we talk about this formula, there is a little difference between permutation and combination. Permutation is the plain arrangement of items in different ways, how you can arrange the item. Combination means within that arrangement, how you can make different combinations. Within that arrangement, how you can make different combinations. So combination formula comes NCR. Instead of NPR, we will write C. C stands for combination. And for earlier formula we have seen permutation, that is NPR, P stands for permutation. Here NCR, C stands for combination, and the combination formula is given by is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. R factorial into n minus r factorial. So permutation formula, when you divide by r factorial again, you will get combination formula. So not this formula, this is also very, very important for your exam. So see, if permutation and combination is a topic, generally we don't study in small classes. All other topics like percentage, simple interest, compound interest, age problems, averages, number system, everything we study in school and colleges. Permutation and combination, everybody will not be studying, right? Some people will be studying if the people who are taken that subject. Otherwise, permutation and combination is a topic which is always new to many students. So make your concept very clear with this video, then we can solve a lot of questions in the coming videos. So again, NCR, how many different combinations you can make with total you have 10 items, or total you have 10 digits, 10 items, 10 words, 10 letters, whatever. Out of that you are taking 4 at a time. 4 items you are taking at a time. So what will come? 10CR. 10CR is equal to n factorial, that is 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 4 minus r, that is 10 minus r, 10 minus 4 factorial. So this will become what? 10 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 6 factorial. Now you see, 10 factorial means numbers multiplying from 1 to 10. 6 factorial means numbers multiplying from 1 to 6. So 10 factorial, the first 6 number will be what? 6 factorial. 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. After that 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. So what I am doing, the 6 factorial I can cut with the 10 factorial. Up to 6 only I can cut. Remaining will be 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Here 1 to 10 I have to multiply. Understand this very, very clearly. 1 to 10 I have to multiply. Out of that 1 to 10, first 6 numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. These many numbers I have cancelled with the 6 factorial. So what is left now? 7 into 8 into 9. So it will become 7 into 8 into 9 into 10. Divided by, here we have 4 factorial. What is 4 factorial? 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. This dot means it is multiplication. Dot indicates multiplication. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Now you can see, you can cut this 2 into 4. You can cut with 8. 2 into 4 you can cut with 8. Then 3 you can cancel with 9 3 times. 3 you can cancel with 9 3 times. Now what is left? 7 into 3 into 10. 7 into 3, 21. 21 into 10, 210. So what is NCR? That is 10C4. 10C4 will be equal to 210. I hope this concept is very, very clear to you. We have seen two very important formula here, that is permutation formula and combination formula. In permutation formula we have seen NPR, which is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Then we have seen combination formula, that is NCR, which is equal to n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And we have learned what actually is a factorial notation. These 3 concepts I am giving you today. Based on these 3 concepts, we will be solving a lot of questions in the coming video. Before that, I just want to tell you, if you are new to my channel, I request you kindly subscribe so that whenever I upload new videos, the notification will definitely come to you. Second, my exam coaching learning app, the link is given in the description. Kindly download the app today, where you will get a lot of free question papers, sample papers, previous year question papers, video classes, PDF notes, test series, everything absolutely free. So the link is given in the description. Kindly download the app from Google Play Store and learn and take your preparation to the next level. upcoming IBPS 2023 examination, Staff Selection Commission examination, a lot of sample papers, question papers, video classes are uploaded, which is absolutely free for you. Okay, so kindly click on the link and download. So thank you so much for watching once again. We will meet with a new topic and new more questions in the coming video. Take care. Bye-bye.